General liability is something that every business should carry. You've got the products and completed operations. You've got the advertising injury, copyright infringement, damage to rented premises, medical payments. Medical payments are paid out if there's something where someone's hurt, there's usually a limit. It's just paid out regardless of fault. Could be like 5,000, 10,000 for that limit. Damage to rented premises, that's usually a liability limit for property damage to the premise that's rented to you. It's often $100,000, $300,000 limit, although oftentimes there's an enhancement that brings that up to $1 million. There's $1 million per occurrence, $2 million aggregate, and there's a deductible. It would be per incident. There are claims of bodily injury, third-party bodily injury or property damage. That's usually general liability. Every business is going to want to carry it. For a contractor, you're going to want to have the general liability for your additional insured, waiver of subrogation, and primary non-contributory. Professional liability, it's usually in the advice giving aspect of that, so we would want to make sure that if you had a professional exposure, that's normally excluded by the general liability policy, so you'd want to get your own professional liability policy. There is directors and officers. There's also excluded. So general liability is your third party bodily injury property damage policy. Within it, there's quite a few coverages.